Biggest hunk of Parmesan. Wow. Check that out. Wow. How much does she weigh? I literally dragged her entire mattress down to my dorm room and she was like, I'm sleeping with you tonight. I'm scared of being alone.
To moisten it. The recipe doesn't call.
My earring. So that is extra.
What happened? My earring like came apart.
What's up, everybody? I just got in the car to go over to my friend Kathy's house. She has a lot of basil and it's like fall, so it's not gonna live outside much longer, and she decided she wanted to make some pesto, so I'm gonna go help her make some pesto, and I figured I might as well just make a video out of it. So yeah, let's go to Kathy's.
Hi.
Okay, this is the recipe that Kathy is using. By the way, this is Kathy.
Hi. This is my video voice.
It's not her real voice.
This is my real
No,
voice.
it's not.
This is my favorite food blog. Give me some oven.
Scroll it on down. There we
There
go.
we go. Boom.
Yep, that's the recipe we're gonna follow. Okay, how much?
This is 1/3 cup
Of pine nuts.
and a little extra.
Because we like it nutty.
Okay, we need to measure out the basil.
Do we?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we have a lot of basil.
I'm thinking we might even have enough to do a double
Wait,
batch.
will you tell everyone who grew that basil? Well, who started that basil?
You did.
I did.
They came over as little babies. Little baby basil.
So it's 3 cups?
Yeah, so I think we might have enough to do a double batch.
I bet you do.
Yeah.
It's probably good. You could almost probably do a
We
triple
could probably
batch.
triple it.
We're tripling it!
Boom, bitch. Yeah. 1. Sure. 2.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, triple batch. I just wanted to make sure. You never know. I don't want to like use too much.
You can never have too much basil though, for real.
Yum.
Oh,
Okay.
we should show the Kathy's plant window.
It is my pride and joy.
It really is. She's worked years on this. Wow. So impressive.
Yeah. There's more plant babies over there.
Oh yeah, I gotta show these guys. Oh wait, and there's more plants over here. You have an addiction?
A healthy one.
It's plants though. So you need to add...
So we have to add 2/3 more cups of pine nuts.
Yeah, look at us mathing.
Yeah.
So it calls for,
9 cloves.
well, 3 cloves for a single batch, but this is tripled.
Yeah.
So 9 cloves, and we don't have real garlic. I mean, we do have real garlic, but it's Cheater's garlic.
Cheater garlic.
Yeah.
I use garlic so often. I don't want to spend all the time to like shave it and chop it.
That's why I
and-
just made all of mine into powder.
So smart.
I know. I should probably record this. It's a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper, but we are tripling it. So again, do the math. We're all about math.
I'm weird about cooking, and this pepper, the telecherry pepper from Penzies, is my favorite.
I should try that pepper.
It's like a little bit, like earthier than some other peppers. Yeah, which I like that.
If y'all have a Penzies around you,
that's the place to go.
it is. It for real is. I need to go back and get some more cinnamon.
I need a few too. I need turmeric and.
So you're saying we should have a Penzies date?
Yeah, Penzies date.
Yeah.
That's like how you know you're in your 30s now. It's like, hey, let's go to Penzies together.
Yeah. Okay, so while Kathy is grating a very large hunk of Parmesan, I'm going to tell you guys how Kathy and I met, according to my story.
It kind of depends on who you ask.
Well, there's only two involved, me and you. So Kathy and I, well, before you know anything, I am super introverted. Kathy is not. And this is literally how I remember it, okay? I was sitting in my dorm room, and you walked in to talk to my roommate, and I think I was studying chemistry. And you were like, I think you're in my chemistry class. And I was like, I don't know. I don't talk to anybody. I don't know. And you were like, we should study together. And I think I was like,
you're like, no thanks.
I think I was like, okay. Like thinking that you would never come back again. But Kathy came back. And she literally like knocked on the door and was like, I'm here to study chemistry. And then we used to go to study groups together, and that's how we became friends.
Yeah.
I mean, unfortunately, that's how we became friends. But also, it was like the end of our first year of college. You're laughing because you know.
I know where the story is going.
And Kathy was the last one left in her suite, and I guess I was too, right?
Yeah.
Like, I must have been.
We were like the last two.
Uh-huh. Like, we were like losers and did not leave college until like the Saturday.
And we lived in the same building, but on different floors.
You were on the 4th floor, right?
Yeah.
And I was on the 3rd floor.
Yeah.
And Kathy literally dragged her entire mattress down to my dorm room, and she was like, I'm sleeping with you tonight. I'm scared of being alone. And I was like, okay, like.
This is a massive invasion of my privacy.
But for real, though.
This is an era when Kathy did not know boundaries.
I mean, you have gotten so much better about your boundaries. Not with each other. But, yeah. So basically, Kathy became one of my best friends, because she insisted that she sleep with me. Not in the same mattress, you know? Like, I was on the bed, she was on the floor. And I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm pretty sure I had some gas that night that I had to, like, hold in because I didn't know you.
Oh my gosh.
So that's where that went.
That sounds about right.
Anyway.
That's on par.
Yeah, Kathy and I have been like besties for like 13 years now.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm pretty sure me talking you through that entire story gave you enough like boost to shred.
Shredding harder.
Yeah.
Do you ever shred the cheese with your friends?
No, but I cut the cheese. I feel like that's like a dad joke, but...
A little extra for some love.
Well, yeah. We're gonna pulse it. Go. After literally like
30 minutes?
Like 30 minutes of blending.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like.
Here's the final product.
And keep in mind, we tripled this.
Yeah. And that's all it made.
That's all we got. But that's fine. We're going to put it in some ball jars. And you're going to store it in the freezer?
Yeah.
We're going to show you how to store it in the freezer. Okay, Kathy got these cute ball jars. I am obsessed with ball jars, so, you know. Oh, it's so blurry.
I'm thinking like that much?
Yeah, because you want to leave like room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the lid. Okay.
Yeah, and I think when you freeze things, you're supposed to leave room.
Yeah.
You all can correct me if I'm wrong.
So to freeze pesto, you don't have to can it, but you do want to put some olive oil, a layer of olive oil on the top of the jar, or of the pesto, before you put the lid on. Just to kind of seal it all in.
Let's show what it looks like.
Yeah. A layer of oil on the top kind of helps keep it airtight.
Yep.
And then, where did I put the lid? There we go. The thought is to freeze these so that I can give them as Christmas gifts later in the year. To the freezer. Just set them down.
And they're going to be in there for the rest of time. And that is how you make pesto, and you keep it forever. With a cat. All right, bye. We're gonna go to Target.